Hi Taurus, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. This is also your birth month. So happy birthdays to all the Taurus sun signs who will be celebrating their birthday, and my blessings to you. May good tidings come to you, and peace and prosperity comes. So let's start your reading. This is for the sun sign of Taurus, the tropical sun sign, and also the ascendant sign if you have ascendant Taurus placement. So let's start your reading right away. In your environment, there is Six of Pentacles. So the Six of Pentacles environment can mean that you are prosperous. You are prosperous. You are willing to, donate. You could be doing some charity, or you are receiving compensation money, or some kind of monetary situation is developing for your growth. Some of you are getting a loan for a house or some great happiness of some sort. So there is a possibility that this exchange of material wealth will be bringing your 10 of cups and the fool. So some of you could be moving towards your dreams and they could be coming true. It could be with family, and a family, someone close to your family, or you or your other family members could be moving towards great happiness. Some of you are moving towards a foreign country, a desired land, desired destination. You could be getting married. So there is a new situation, new job, new money, new work, new education. Some new situation is starting in a land or a location which is desired. That is what I am seeing. So there is great happiness regarding family or family members, or you could be spending time with family members, going towards them. You could be generous, you could be exchanging gifts in this time period in the month of May. So what's coming to you in big terms or in your general life is that there is a person of the sign of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a message or an improvement is coming in. There could be love coming in for some of you through the Knight of Cups. Someone is coming, charming you, bringing, love, or bringing, good news towards you, and you are in the Queen of Pentacles situation. So an offer could be coming in. You could be spoiled in terms of options. So some options are coming in your life at this time. They are opening up, and they are also creating a situation which is a kind of uncertain situation. Things are unknown to you, but whenever we see many options in our lives, they could confuse us, or they could put us in a situation where there is some invisible energies which are unclear to us. But what is happening in this time period when both these cards are present in your reading is telling me that there is a possible situation where one offer is making sense to you, and the uncertainty regarding many options is going away. You could be taking a risk towards the unknown. So you are going to step out of your comfort zone, something you have been doing for a long time, maybe in your work, something with a person you have been doing in terms of your relationship, in terms of your family circumstances. Something was practiced day in and day out. That is a situation you are living, and you are wanting to move towards the unknown, or you will be moving towards the unknown, prospecting for new things, and that's why the options are opening up and you will be expanding your energy. So expansion of some kind is taking place with the Queen of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles is a very practical energy. So you will be in a very practical energy. This is your energy. So you have a certain direction, you are looking towards it. So the Queen of Pentacles is not taking action immediately, but she is looking towards a direction. So this is not, I'm not saying this is only for female members. Why I am saying she is, this is the she energy. So this is the yin energy which is coming to you. It could be that it's coming to the Taurus males. So basically you will be more caring about what decisions you are taking, but you are going to go towards an expansion. That is what I am seeing. So expansion could be moving towards unfamiliar work, unfamiliar direction, prospecting for the new, and the options are opening up for you. Though you could be a bit confused in this time period, but you could be taking help with the six of cups, six of pentacles energy. There could be reciprocation of some sort. Someone could be doing a favor to you also, possible. So with the sixes coming to you, there is definitely balance happening, because there is the six of swords as well. So the six of swords tells us that whatever difficulty you may be in generally in your life, you are going to make an escape towards peace. So there is a possibility that a new situation or new way will be found out of a uh, uh, of a situation where you could be baffled, you could be confused, or you could be in some directionless situation which was happening in the past. But right now it is very clear that you have to make a headway towards a certain direction. And the Queen of Pentacles is a very practical energy, and you are going to take that direction. And in the month of May, you are going to be given the right of safe passage towards the offer that is coming in through the Knight of Cups. That is what I can gather. And you will be moving towards a new direction which is safe, which is peaceful, and you are going to succeed in getting yourself out of difficulty. So this is what I am seeing. Angels are saying you have to find a tactical way. With these seven of swords, you will have to find a tactical way, a structured way, a way of slinking out of any possible difficulty. So the seven of swords here is a path that is shrewd path. You have to think strategically, and you need to make a headway towards freedom. That freedom is coming from a very exhausting or a long drawn situation. So this could be too much work, this could be too much responsibility, this could be something which was draining you. So there is a possibility that with the seven of swords you will find the strategy, the right strategy to move away from situations which are draining you. So six of swords, seven of swords energy coming to you, and you are going to get an offer to move towards a situation that could be a risk, a little bit of risk, but you are going to manage and you will be safe. So let's look at your situation specifically in terms of your 10th house, that is your career situation. So career, money, job, finance situation. So the Hierophant and the Judgment is coming to you. So the Hierophant is the Taurus energy. Hierophant is also the energy of being traditional, morally responsible, accountable. Sometimes this also shows that we are rooted in a spot and we cannot make a decision immediately because we are cautious about being reckless. So basically you will not be reckless, you could be taking advice from others. With the Judgment and the Knight of Wands, what I am seeing is there will be a decision to take yourself out of a problem in your organization. This could be also if something is not working out for you or something is not giving you satisfaction. You could be finding your purpose more than what you achieve in your work. You could be finding a purpose in your career. So that purpose will be very very clear in this time period, and you will be moving towards that. Some of you could be shifting your approach. Some of you will be shifting physically from one job to the other, or a transfer can take place, or a reshuffle can take place in your situation. But you will be more interested in being that generous leader, the teacher, the expert in your career situation. So what I am seeing is there could be a little bit of stickiness or making up your mind regarding a new offer. But with the page of cups, something is coming here which will be making you more at ease in your work situation. Something you have tided over. It was difficult, it was exhausting, but now there will be, in the month of May, you will see some improvements. That is what I am seeing in your career, money, job situation. In terms of your love life, I am seeing very good cards. It is happening because of a Pisces, or it is happening because of a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You could be changing your approach about someone in this time period. You were in a situation of inertia in your love life, but with the star and the sun, so sun and the star coming in your close relationships and your love life, it is telling me you will be optimistic, you will be finding happiness, you will be enjoying a situation in love in the month of May, because things will be looking up in your love life. So there was a past situation where someone was not so clear about their feelings towards you, but this person with the Knight of Cups is coming with an offer and is charming you in this time. You have gone through a period which was unchanging, you have gone through a period which was filled with lack, or you felt that someone ignored you, but with the Eight of Cups you are walking away from that. Some of you have found your inner keel, you have found that you yourself are enough, and when you leave someone, or when you mentally even leave someone and you think that you don't need them, you will see how the universe brings that person towards you. But you right now feel as the knight, you are in the Nine of Pentacles situation. That is, your singular energies are pervading you. You are more than enough for yourself, you are self-sufficient. So you have found your inner keel, you have worked hard in your life, you have worked hard in your physical realm, and that has given you great confidence of self-reliance. However, because you have departed from the nagging situations, because you have left those situations, those things that used to give you emotional pain, now that you have left all that, someone is coming towards you, and they are coming with a cup of love, and that is going to give you great happiness. However, you were not expecting all this, but it is going to make your love life or close relationships very very happy. So some people, some new people will be coming in your life, or some energies are coming towards you. There could be a birth of a child in the month of May. So a situation that was unmoving is going to be left behind. That is what I am seeing. And with the Six of Wands, I am seeing in terms of your health a victory. I am seeing that you will be able to overcome any health situations at this time. It is predicting a victory in your health, or finally in the month of May you will feel much better. So let's read out the Lenormand for you in this time period. So the Lenormand card is card number 9. It is a beautiful card, the bouquet card. So the bouquet card is about gift, peace, improvement and healing. So that was in your environment, the Six of Pentacles, gift, peace, healing and improvement, reciprocation, that is coming to you. So always think positive. That is what angels are saying. Always think positively and fight uncertainties and fears. Notable improvement is already underway. So Taurus, something is very opportune which is coming towards you. Gifts are actually coming to you because it's your birthdays, your birth month. So financial reorganization can happen, and also it will be accompanied with improvement in your physical realm. A generous and prepared professional is about to put an end to your problems. Next is a long awaited solution in your life. So in terms of your success, after a profound crisis that kept you away from your work, maybe for some of you, you could be getting some help from a doctor or a legal advisor. Stress has impaired your physical resistance in the present, so take a peaceful holiday. Some of you could be taking a holiday because there are the cards of the sun and the star in your personal relationship. So this could be holiday with children. So what was I reading? So a peaceful holiday will be coming to you. Is unexpectedly, some of you could be getting a second or easy job which will supplement your salary. Good chance for future possible solutions, even if it is still uncertain that how will it happen, but it will happen. That is what this card is predicting. So there was a situation where you were challenged in terms of your financial situation, but good financial opportunity could be coming to you. Take it straight away. Trust the advice of an expert. A gift, a small amount of cash or loan could be coming to you. By reining in a bit, finances will go back to an acceptable level. That is what I am seeing. In terms of your feelings, what I am seeing is after a deep crisis of health, you are recovering and you are regaining interest in life. You are finally getting over real displeasure. Consoling gifts, happy occasions, trips and parties, interesting people will be coming to you. A mind-blowing event can come to you unexpectedly. In terms of the whole month, you will be nostalgic for an ex or someone, but a new fantastic love is waiting around the corner. So there is a possibility of love blossoming in this month of May for you, Taurus. So everything is looking good. It is going to progress in this time period. You could be taking a little bit of a new direction in this time period, and that is going to help you to move towards much more peaceful situation in your life, and definitely improvements in personal and health is coming to you, Taurus. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me through the email ID in the description box just below this video. There is a description box. You can find my email ID. I will let you know how to book my readings if you want one. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.